Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 30 of Flylady's beginner baby steps for getting your home and life in order. We'll continue working on our daily routines, and I made sure to list all of these steps down in the description. Today, Flylady wants us to look at our calendar for the next month. And does anyone have a birthday? If somebody has a birthday, then start preparing ahead of time. Get a gift and a birthday card. Just plan all of this ahead of time so you can have everything organized. Write down what you need to get and go do it on your next errand day. A quote by Flylady: "A day for everything keeps us from living in chaos. Your basic weekly plan gives you time to fly and have fun." I will leave the Flylady's weekly fly plan blog down in the description for you to read. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.